Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to see how to make Mumbai fish fry. This recipe is really unique and you have nice coated. It's very crispy and you won't believe it's so delicious and perfect as an appetizer or starter. Friends, please click that subscribe button to get the notification for the new recipe. So friend, to make this delicious fish fry, all you need a 500 gram fish. Today I have a tilapia fish, skinless, boneless. 1 cup semolina or Rava. And then the spices is a turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, chili powder, Kashmir powder, fennel seeds, and turmeric powder. And we are also using dry fenugreek leaf to give nice aroma and flavor. So friend, in the bowl I just add all that salt, turmeric powder, and I'm adding that mustard oil. Mustard oil really give nice pungent flavor and it really goes well this blank flavor of this fish. Now I'm adding the masalas. Is a cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, chili powder, and yogurt. So friends, this is the marination, and we always can marinate this mixed fish. I'm now adding the fresh coriander and give nice marination, and I'm going to set for at least 1 hour. Friends, is a really, you always can make it at once and leave it in the fridge and you can fry it. For now the coating is a semolina flour or a rava or cracked wheats or broken small pieces wheat. So it's really give nice crunchiness and it really inspire Mumbai food. So normally they always have this semolinas as a coated as a giving nice crispiness on that fish, chicken, or even paddies. So after that I'm going to show you how to do the pan fry. So friend, in the pan I'm just add some mustard seed oil, few drops. So we're going to pan fry this fish until cook nicely golden brown. So each side you should take 5 minutes, and again we're going to turn to other side, and it's up to you. You can place the lid or you just can pan fry. It's really easily cooked because the marination itself is helping tenderize the meat itself. So another method is a electric grill. So I'm using to show you how I did, and just press it and let it cook for 20 minutes. So now it's complete, friend. Look at this, so crispy outside and very juicy and soft inside. So friend, as I told you, you can make it as a appetizer or starter. These fish fries goes so well with the tacos. You can make as a tacos or any as a side for the main dish, friend. So friend, I hope you learn new version of this Mumbai fish fry. It's simply delicious and it's so good with the any main dish. For the even biryani, it goes so well, friends, as a side. So let's try, give it taste, try. And today I have some garnishing, onion, lime, tomatoes. So look at this, friends. It's so soft and so crispy inside. The coating is nice, so crispy, and then the fish inside is soft and yummy. So friend, I hope you enjoy this recipe. Please comment, like, and share. To find a more unique recipe, click that subscribe button now, and don't forget to click that bell button to get the notification.